सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतम्। अद्य अस्माकं कक्षा संख्या वर्तते 1,40,300तमी 341 श्लोक 341st class I mean to say, and shloka is only 75 or over. पंचसप्तति तमः श्लोकः शतश्लोकेषु पठितः गतकक्षायाम्। एतस्य पंचसप्ततितम श्लोकस्य सम्बद्धौ द्वौ श्लोकौ वर्तेते। अस्माभिः एकः अपि श्लोकः न पठितः गतकक्षायां समयाभावात्। सो श्रीनिवास अद्य सम्बद्धम् एकं श्लोकं पठतु।
आधिव्याधिनिपीडितः जारश्चोरो बलाद्दुष्टो विषयी धनलोलुपः
इति आकरः। इट्स ए कलेक्शन। आकरः मीन्स कलेक्शन, समूहः। सुभाषितानाम् आकरः समूहः। भाण्डागारः इति भिन्न तत्र नामधेयमपि वर्तते। तस्मात् आकरात् समूहात् सुभाषितानां समूहात् चितः स्वीकृतः अयं श्लोकः वर्तते। सम्बन्धः श्लोकः एव मुख्यश्लोकेन अनिद्राकारणानि इति वयं यत् पठितवन्तः। किमस्ति अत्र पदच्छेदं यदि कुर्मः जागति आदावेव इन द बिगिनिंग ओनली देयर इज ए प्रिंटिंग एरर। जागर्ति इति द वर्ब इज डबल था इज देयर, that is jagarti, only single tha should be there. Jagarti cha sachintaha cha adhi vyadhi nipiditaha adhi vyadhibhyam nipiditaha adhi vyadhibhihi nipiditaha athava. Then jaraha cha plus choraha, jaras choro. Jaraha iti ekah शब्दः, चोरः इति अन्यः शब्दः। सन्धौ जारश्चोरौ इति। जारश्च अयं चोरश्च जारश्चोरौ द्वन्द्व समासः। एंड लाइक रामकृष्णौ, रामः च कृष्णः च रामकृष्णौ। परन्तु द्वन्द्व न, क्षम्यतां, तत्र केवलं सन्धिरस्ति। जारश्च चोरश्च जारचोरो इति, चोरौ इति न। बलिद्विष्टो अन्यः शब्दः बलिद्विष्टः। बलेः यज्ञस्य द्वेषी द्विष्टः। द्विष्टः नाम हेटर, द्वेषी। बलेः द्विष्टः बलिद्विष्टः। बलि नाम तत्र सैक्रिफाइस। विषयी विषयेषु आसक्तः पुरुषः विषयी। धनलोलुपः धने लोलुपः धनस्य लोलुपः, वन हू इज वेरी ईगर ग्रीडी ऑफ मनी। सो तत्र मुख्य शीर्षकं किं वर्तते? अनिद्राकारणानि इति तत्र टाइटल अस्ति। सो अतः अयं श्लोकः कथयति जागर्ति च सचिन्तः। के पुरुषाः जागरणं कुर्वन्ति निद्रां न लभन्ते। कीदृशा अथवा कीदृशाः पुरुषाः निद्रां न लभन्ते अत्र वर्णिताः। प्रथमः सचिन्तः। सचिन्तः चिन्तया सहितः पुरुषः। यस्य पुरुषस्य मनसि चिन्ता वर्तते, यः पुरुषः चिन्तया वर्तते, चिन्तया विद्यमानः जीवन वर्तते, स निद्रां न लभते। प्रथमः पुरुषः चिन्तासक्तः इति। सचिन्तः नाम चिन्तया आसक्तः, पीडितः, चिन्ता पीडितः इति एकः। आधि व्याधि निपीडितः। आधिना व्याधिना। आदि इति मानसिक रोगः, मनसः रोगः आधिः आधिः व्याधिः शरीररोगः मनसः रोगः आधिः शरीरस्य रोगः व्याधिः एताभ्यां द्वाभ्याम् आधिना व्याधिना निपीडितः नितान्तं पीडितः अत्यन्तं पीडितः so अयं द्वितीयः पुरुषः this is the second person who is suffering from mental as well as physical ailments one who is suffering from the mental as well as physical आधि व्याधि निपीडितः पीडितः 2 who is the तृतीयः पुरुषः कः यः निद्रां न लभते जारः जारः नाम तत्र च्युतः पतितः पुरुषः जारः जारः is a lover paramour प्रेम्नि पतितः अधार्मिके प्रेम्नि पतितः पुरुषः जारः इति one who has fallen into illicit love affair so paramour what we say Angla bhashayam paramour is lover so जारः चोरः सरल शब्दः एव चोर शब्दस्य तस्करः इति चोरः नाम तस्करः सो जारः तृतीयः चोरः चतुर्थः बलि द्विष्टः बलिं द्वेष्टि यः पुरुषः बलिं यज्ञं यागं द्वेष्टि स पुरुषः बलिद्विष्टः बलेः द्विष्टः द हेटर ऑफ sacrifice the hater of sacrifice विषयी अत्र कति पुरुषाः सचिन्तः एकः आदिव्याधि निपीडितः द्वितीयः जारः तृतीयः चोरः चतुर्थः पंचमः बलिद्विष्टः षष्ठः विषयी विषयेषु आसक्तः पुरुषः विषयी षष्ठः धनलोलुपः धनस्य लोलुपः धने लोलुपः one who is greedy of money so एते कति षड् सप्त जनाः एते सप्त जनाः निद्रां न प्राप्नुवन्ति निद्रां न लभन्ति यतो हि तेषां मनः सदा चिन्ताग्रस्तः पुरुषः निद्रां न लभते आधिना पीडितः आदि व्याधि पीडितः पुरुषः अपि तत्र निद्रां लब्धुं न शक्नोति जारः सदा तस्य मनः तस्यां स्त्रियाम् एव आसक्तं भवति मनः अतः निद्रा न आगच्छति चोरः सदा चिन्तयति कथं चोरयितुं शक्यते कथं चोरयामि इति बलिद्विष्टः अपि एवमेव विषयी विषयिनः पुरुषस्य मनः सदा विषयेषु एव वर्तमानं भवति अतः तस्यापि निद्रा न आगच्छति धनलोलुपः सदा धनविषये एव चिन्तयति अतः निद्रां न प्राप्नोति एवं एते सप्त पुरुषाः अपि एकैकः पुरुषः अत्र जागर्ति आदौ पदं यद् तत्र अस्ति प्रयुक्तमस्ति जागर्ति इति जागर्ति जागरणं करोति इति एकैकः एतेषु सप्त जनेषु एकैक प्रत्येकं पुरुषः जागर्ति एव जागर्ति नाम निद्रां न निद्राति न निद्रां गच्छति न स्वपिति परंतु जागर्ति so this jagru Srinivas sorry the verb here jagru to be awake jagarti jagrutah jagrati jagarti ekavachane prathama purusha ekavachane third person singular जागृतः द्वितीय प्रथम पुरुष द्विवचन जागर्ति जागृतः जाग्रतः जागृति बहुवचने जागृति जागर्ति जागृतः जागृति अस्य प्रयोगः एकस्मिन् श्लोके अस्ति गीतायाः श्लोके या निशा सर्वभूतानां तस्यां जागर्ति संयमीति स्मरति वा या निशा सर्वभूतानां तस्यां निशायां जागर्ति इति एतदेव क्रियापदं जागर्ति संयमी योगी तस्यां निशायां जागर्ति इति सो जागर्ति इति एकवचनं जागृतः इति द्विवचनं, जाग्रति इति बहुवचनं। बहुवचने अन्ति इति न श्रूयते तत्र। You won't get the sound of anti which we are used to. Listen, bhavati, bhavatah, bhavanti. Ordinarily speaking, this is a irregular verb, you can say, special verb jagru. So that is one. No, this is kriyapadana. What is akarata, ikarata? No anta for kriyapadas. So jagru shabda, that is one thing. And such, I have explained, Adi is mental disease, Agani, Vyadi is physical. Nipiditaha means troubled. Nitantam piditaha, Atyantam piditaha, Nipiditaha. A man who is very much troubled with mental as well as physical ailments. Jaraha, Choraha, Balidvishtaha, Vishayi, Dhana, Lolo. Simple. You can take on the second one.
Usahayi Kunrupatir Bhinna Matya Suhrut Prajaha Kuryad Yatha
Samikshayaitat Sukham Swapyat Chiram Naraha Sandhayaha Bhavaha Santi Atra Kusahayi Kunrupatir Bhinnamatya Suhrut Prajaha Suhrut Prajaha Kunrupatir Bhinnamatya Suhrut Prajaha Kuryad Yatha Samikshayaitat Sukham Swapyat Chiram Naraha Iti Shukranitihi Kusahayi Kusahayi means king who has got a bad follower, bad assistant, bad follower. Kusaha, ku means ku iti kubuddhihi, kumatihi, kubhojanam, opposite of su. Ku means bad. Kubhojanam, subhojanam. Kumati, yes. Kusahayi, a bad follower or bad, follower is better. Ku nrupatihi, ku nrupatihi, na sun nrupatihi. Ku nrupatihi, bhinna amatya suhrut prajaha. Bhinna amatya suhrut prajaha nrupatihi, ku nrupatihi, किम भवति कुसहायी भवति. A bad king who is deprived, bhinna here means separated, bhinna means separated, who is separated from his ministers, kun rupatihi bhinna amatya suhrut prajaha, amatyebhyah bhinnaha prutakkrutaha, separated, evameva suhrudbhyah bhinnaha भवति पृथक्कृतः, प्रजाभ्यः अपि पृथक्कृतः, दूरीकृतः. पृथक्कृतः नाम दूरीकृतः. One who is been moved away, separated. Bhinna means here separated, okay? Or one who is deprived, separated is best, I think. Bhinna means here broken, separated only. That bad king who is been separated from his ministers, from his well-wishers, suhrud, friends, well-wishers and friends and the people. Get it? Saha ku nrupatihi yaha swasya tatra amatyebhyah prutak krutah asti, swa suhrudbhyah prutak krutah asti, duri krutah asti, स्वप्रजाभ्यः अपि भिन्नः दूरीकृतः अस्ति. तादृशः कु नृपतिः कु सहायी भवति. He will have no followers. A bad king who has been separated from these three people will have no good followers. Or a bad king separated from these three people will have a bad follower only. In other words, you will have no followers. Kuryat yatha samiksha etad. What should you do? Tadrushaha ku nrupatihi kuraja किम कुर्यात येन su nrupatihi bhavet, so that by which he can become a good king. Ku nrupatihi kim karanena su nrupatihi bhavet, by doing what can he be a good king? That is explained here. Ku kuryat yatha. Kuryat is, kru dhatu. Vidiling. Kuryat, kuryatam, kuryuhu. Kuryat yatha. He should do such a thing. Samikshya etat. Having observed or having examined his own fault. Samikshya etat kuryat. Yatha. In such a way, sukham swapyat chiram naraha. He should do such an act after a thorough investigation where he went wrong, so that sukham swapyat. Swapyat means nidram gachet. Sukham nidram gachet. Yatha chiram naraha. As man means a citizen or he himself. But I think here he should do such an act after examining his own faults, that naraha is singular but it denotes people. Swapyat, because naraha could also be plural if the verb were to be plural. But here swapyat is there. Swapyat, swapyatam, swapyuhu. Swapa to sleep. Swapyat is ekavachana. Therefore we take nara shabda also ekavachana. Otherwise, as I told you, nara shabda can be plural also. Nru, narau, naraha. Nru shabda, rukaranta. Nru, nrusimha. You know the word nrusimha? In nrusimha, nru we write. Narasimha, nrusimha both are same. But there is a separate shabda, rukaranta. Rishi rukaranta. Nru, na, that becomes na, narau, naraha. I'm sorry, na, narau, naraha, naram, narau, nrun, nra, nre, nrubhyam, nrubhihi. So it goes like that. Naraha there appears in the Bahuvachana. What I am trying to tell you is that. So sometimes here citizen means citizens we can take it. So what is the second line saying? He should do such an act by which people, naraha means janaha naraha, sukham swapyat, so that people should sleep happily. He should rectify himself, the king should rectify. How? Samikshya etat kuryat. Kuryat yatha samikshya etat sukham swapyat naraha. As the people can go to sleep, including himself. When people sleep, he can also sleep. So is it clear?
Yes.
So only thing is sandhis are plenty. Ku sahai, ku nrupatihi. That nru shabda is here also. Nrupati. Nrunam patihi nrupatihi. Nrupatihi. Bhinna amatya suhrit prajaha. A king who has been separated from his own ministers, well-wishers, friends and the people, having no good follower, Kuryat should do such an act, yatha, in such a way, samiksha etat, after examining the situation, sukham, in such a way that he should do an act, sukham swapyat chiram naraha, his people, so that his people should sleep happily forever. Chiram, chirakalam, sukham swapyat naraha, yatha, yatha, swapyat tatha kuryat iti. Now tatha is understood. So this is Shukraniti. So a king who has done wrong should rectify himself in such a way that his people should be sleeping comfortably. That is the sense here. So evam rupena asmakam katamaha slokaha pancha saptati tamaha slokaha api samaptaha. We have finished 75th sloka also. Entering into Abhyasa, Panchadashamaha Abhyasaha, Sloka Sankhya, as usual we go down to do, I think all poems are printed properly here. in small letters. Srinivas, you can take up first one.
रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयत
Yeah?
रिक्तस्थानानि
Yeah, Riktasthānāni Purna. Purayata. Pitrupaitāmaham Rajyam Praptavan Svena Karmana. What is that? Jumping. Anaye. Anaye Stitaha. Oh, different exercise, you know. So, okay. Pitru Paitamaham Rajyam Praptavan Anaye Stitaha.
भ्रंशयत्वा
So, here you use the verb which is taking from the second line of the poem, 71st, which is printed on this page. Anaye Stitaha Bhramshayati Vayuhu Abhramiva Asadya. Vayuhu Abhramiva Asadya. Abram Asadya Iva. Because Iva is given at the end. Vayuhu Abram Asadya Iva. So we repeat here. The first half is simple. Anaye Sthitaha Bhramshayati Vayuhu Abram Asadya Iva. So a little differently given from the previous. It has been given in the last also, 14th one. Second, Gavaha
गावः गन्धेन
Pashyanti. Very simple. Gavaha Gandhena Pashyanti. This is also an order I told you. Patantara is there. Brahmanaha
वेदैः
Vedaihi
पश्यति
Pashyanti. Rajanaha Chakshurabhyam Pashyanti. Chakshurabhyam. Everywhere subject and verb are given, Srinivas here. Getting? See, Gavaha Pashyanti. Katham Pashyanti, you have to fill up. Brahmanaha Pashyanti, Rajanaha Pashyanti.
राजानः चारैः
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Kshamyatam. Rajanaha Charaihi Pashyanti. Charachakshavah. Rajanaha Charaihi Pashyanti. Itare Janaha Chakshurabhyam Pashyanti. Yeah, that is very simple. Third one. Aprustaha Yasya Parabhavam na ichet, nechet, parabhavam. So here third one, aprushtaha, without being asked, yasya, whosoever's, parabhavam na ichet, tasya, I think everything is done. So only one blank, that is aprushtaha yasya parabhavam. Fill in the parabhava shabda taking from the second line, last word in the poem, number 73. Next, fourth, Rajan.
सततं सुलभाः पुरुषाः
No, Priyavadinaha Purushaha. Satatam Priyavadinaha Purushaha Sulabhaha. Priyavadinaha, you fill up from the poem, fourth poem, there is 74th poem, first line, last word, you can show them also. Next, Apriyasya tu Patyasya Vakta, I think only one word. Apriyasya tu Patyasya Shrota cha Durlabha. That is it. Vakta, only Vakta you have to write. So only two words in this filling up. Satatam Priyavadinaha plus Vakta. Vaktur Shabda Vakta. Last one in the Prathamamsha. Balavata Abhiyuktam Durlabham Hina Sadhanam Hatas Durlabham only. Durlabham Hina Sadhanam Hrutaswam Kaminam Chauram cha. That's all. So you have to take the two fillings here. Prajagaraha Balavata Abhiyuktam Durlabham, and next blank is Durbalam only. What I said? Durba. We said something? Oh, something is happening today. Okay. Prajagaraha balavata abhiyuktam durbalam, and then next blank is Hritaswam. Hritaswam, Kaminam, everything is given there. So this is. No need to write, I suppose.
No.
We repeat the last one, Durbalam and Hritaswam. Dvitiyamsha, second part is Ekena Padena Uttaram Likhata. Kasmin Sthitaha Raja Rajyam Nashayati. Situated in what does king destroy his kingdom? So that is first sloka must be there. Anaye, if I remember correctly. Anaye only. Anaye sthitaha. Anaye sthitaha raja rajyam nashayati. A king involved in bad policy, being in bad policy, destroys his kingdom. Anaye sthitaha. Wrong policy, bad policy. 2. Rajanaha kaihi pashyanti. With what do the kings see? Like just now we have done. That is charaihi. Kaihi charaihi. So substitute kaihi with charaihi. Rajanaha charaihi pashyanti. Just like we done the first one. 3. Samanya janaha kabhyam pashyanti. Commoners see with what? With what do the commoners see? Chakshurbhyam. Itare janaha. Now here the word itare janaha is replaced by samanya janaha. Samanya janaha kabhyam pashyanti. Chakshurbhyam, netrabhyam, lochanabhyam, nayanabhyam. That also can be changed if you want. Why chakshurbhyam, which is there in the text? Nayanabhyam, chakshurbhyam, netrabhyam. Question. 4. Kidrushaha purushaha sulabhaha. So kidrushaha take out priyavadinaha purushaha sulabhaha. Purushaha sulabhaha. So kidrusha is replaced by priyavadinaha. Nidrayaha abhavaha iti kasya padasya artaha. Of which words meaning is lack of sleep. Kasya has to be removed, replaced rather. Kasya padasya. Then you say nidrayaha abhavaha iti prajagaraha padasya artaha. Prajagarasya padasya or kasya, if you want to put it prajagarasya you can say, or prajagara iti padasya. Prajagaraha iti padasya artaha. Then 6th, brahmanaha kaihi pashyanti. Vedaihi, panditaha pashyanti brahmana. So kaihi vedaihi. 7th, kidrushasya pathyasya vakta srota cha durlavaha. What we did just now, apriyasya. Kidrushasya will be replaced by apriyasya pathyasya vakta srota cha durlavaha. Then 8th one. Kena pashyanti. Kena should be substituted. Answer. Gavaha gandhena pashyanti. Gandhena pashyanti. That is the first poem. Gavaha gandhena pashyanti. So as I told you in the previous class, here Gavaha is only an indicatory word for all the animals. Not necessarily only cows see, identify things with the smell. All animals mostly. 3rd amsha, yathochitam sandhim, sandhi vichedam va kurta. Now, depending whether sandhi is there or not, you have to see. Vayuhu is there. Abhram. Vayuhu plus abhram. Vayur abhram. This is what sandhi? Our visarga sandhi. Refa. Iva plus savarna dirgha sandhi is coming. Iva plus asadhya. Iva asadhya. Savarna. 3rd one. This is yana desha sandhi. Bhramshayatyanaye. Bhramshayatyanaye, that they can see in the poem. Last one, no, first one only. Yeah, first sloka here, 71 sloka, second line, second word, Bhramshayatya, that is Yana Desha Sandhi. Please look to the poem first poem where the word is given joined. Then the sixth one, Srinivas.
Rajanah plus Chakshubhyam.
Fourth one, sorry. Rajanaha. Rajanas Chakshubhyam. Rajanas Chak. This is also Visarga Sandhi. Rajana, where you can see in the first only. Isn't it?
Yes.
Second one. I'm sorry, second one. Rajanas Chakshubhyam. This is Visargasya Shakara. So this is also Visarga Sandhi. Fifth one. Aprusthaha. Again Visarga Sandhi. Aprusthaha plus tasya. Aprustastasya. Visargasya Sakara. Aprusthaha plus tasya. Aprustastasya. 6.
Na plus
This is Guna Sandhi. Na plus Ichet, Nechet. Na plus Ichet. Very simple. And the last one is Durbalam. Yeah, Sandhi is there. Durbalam. Ma should be written out. In breaking the Sandhi. Durbalam, the Ma letter should be fully written. Hina sadhanam. When you join, it becomes Durbalam Hina sadhanam. So these are the simple Sandhis here. Trutiya amshaha api samaptaha. Chaturtha amshaha. Purnena vakyana uttaram. Now, Kidrusham rajyam praptavan. I think this is first poem. No. Yeah. Kidrusham rajyam praptavan. What type of kingdom as the king got? I think you have to write the whole thing. Pitru paitamaham rajyam praptavan svena karma. Kidrusham he says. So, if it is purna vakyam, Pitru paitamaham rajyam praptavan. If he wants that much only. Kidrusham means what type of kingdom? Pitru paitamaham rajyam. That's all. You take out Kidrusham. Again, it looks like one word answer. I thought the whole poem fits in, but doesn't. As for the question here, Pitru paitamaham rajyam. That's it. Second, come bhramshay. But only practice you have to make, Srinivas. You have to write out in the book or in your notebook the full sentence here. Vayuhu kam bhramshayati. Vayuhu abhram bhramshayati. Abhram. Abhra shabda. Is it okay? So you write out there. Vayuhu abhram bhramshayati. Air dispels the cloud. 3. Yadi kasyachit parabhavaha na ishyet tarhi aprusthaha api kim bruyat. Yadi kasyachit parabhavaha na ishyate tarhi shubham va yadi va papam dvesham va yadi va priyam. So this whole thing has to be written. Bruyat. Kim, take out Kim. This is the poem, third one, 73rd poem. Full answer would be Srinivas. Yaha yadi kasyachit parabhavanishye tarhi shubham. Then you say shubham va yadi va papam dvesham va yadi va priyam bruyat.
Aprustastasya.
Okay, that whole thing. So, fourth one. Yaha balavata saha virodham karoti tam ke avishanti. The one who opposes or confronts with the mighty man, strong man, what do enter him? What things do affect him? Affect the person who is confronted with a strong man. That is the last one, Prajagaraha. So, full answer, Srinivas. Yaha balavatasaha virodham karoti tam prajagaraha avishanti. Sleeplessness. Tam prajagaraha avishanti. They enter it. They take over him. And the last one, Kidrushasya,
Vakta, Shrota, Durlabha.
we know, Apriyasya cha Patyasya. Two things you have to write. Apriyasya cha Patyasya Vakta, Shrota cha Durlabha. The speaker and the listener of unpleasant truth are rare. So is it okay? So the last one is Kidrushasya, answer will be Apriyasya tu Patyasya. Tu is there in the text if you want to take. Apriyasya tu Patyasya Vakta Srota cha Durlabha. Panchamahamshaha Bhinnam Padam Chinuta. Now you, as we have been doing, take out the odd man out, odd word out. Which one is? First one, Srinivas.
Balavata, Gandhena, Karmana, Priyavadina.
How? Logic? Your explanation? Balavata is Trutiya Ekavachana, Gandhena is Trutiya Ekavachana, Karmana Trutiya Ekavachana, Priyavadina is Prathama, no. Prathama Bahuvachana, it could be also, as you said, Panchami and Shashti Ekavachana also. But whatever it is, if it is Prathama Bahuvachana also, it is out, odd. Panchami Shashti also out. You are right. Priyavadina is Bhinnam Padam Ataha Nishkasyam. Second one.
Priyavadina, Khutasvam, Parabhavam.
So what is the common Priyavadina? Because Abhram is Dvitiya, Khritaswam is Dvitiya, Parabhavam is also Dvitiya, Priyavadina is Trutiya. There Prathama Bahuvachana is given, Priyavadinaha. Here Priyavadina is Trutiya Ekavachana. Therefore, Priyavadina iti padam bhinnam asti. That is different, odd. 3.
Gavaha, Vakta,
Vakta,
Prajagaraha, Charaihi.
Which one you take out? Sorry. Gavaha is plural.
Yeah, Vakta.
Why?
Vakta is plural.
Yeah, all are plural. But vibhakti change is there.
Yeah.
Like Gavaha is Prathama Bahuvachana, Prajagaraha Prathama Bahuvachana, Charaihi Trutiya Bahuvachana. All are in Bahuvachana, only Vakta is singular, therefore you are right, take out. 4th.
Anaye Apriyasya Pathyasya Rajyaha.
Why? Saptami. Anaye is Saptami. Apriyasya Shashti. Patyasya Shashti. Ragnaha is also Shashti. Anaye is Saptami, therefore Bhinnam. Last one, Shrota.
Durlabha, Aprushtaha, Rajan. Shrota.
No. Shrota is Prathama Ekavachana. Durlabha Prathama Ekavachana. Aprushtaha Prathama Ekavachana. Rajan is what? Sambodhana. Sambodhana. So Vibhakti change is there. Sambodhana, that is. It is vocative. Therefore Rajan out. So we will just go back fast. Priyavadina first. Second Priyavadina. Third Vakta. Fourth Anaye. Fifth Rajan. And the reasons we have already given out. 6th Amsha. Kena
Pashyanti. Iti
Yathochitam Melanam Kurta. Now you match the following. Who see with what? As we have seen in the poem. Gavaha Gandhena Pashyanti. So Kena Pashyanti means with what do they identify? Gavaha Gandhena. So first to match with Gha. Brahmanaha Vedaihi, very simple. Rajanaha Charaihi, and the last one is Rejanaha Chakshurbhyam. So it is very simple. So Kena, but the question see, Kena Pashyanti. Who with what see identify? Kena. Okay, that is a very simple exercise. Now 7. I think this is also based on a poem. Poem number is last one, 75th poem. Prajagaraha Kama Avishanti. Sorry, Shameta. Kam Avishanti iti Rekha Chitre Pure. Now, as we have done earlier, Srinivas, 1 starting with Balavata Abhyuktam. 2
Durbalam.
Durbalam. Already he has given
Hina sadhanam.
Hina Sadhanam. Hrutaswam. Kaminam is given. Chauram. That's it. So we repeat. Second one filling is Durbalam. Durbalam. Fourth one is Hrutaswam. Hrutaswam. And the sixth one alternatively filling is there. Chauram. That's it. So this is based on 75th sloka. Ashtamamshaha. Vachyam parivartaya. Now this is a test for students. Vachyam parivartaya. Change the voice here. Te rajyam praptavantaha. Which voice is this, universe? Is it active voice or passive voice? Is it karmani prayoga or kartari prayoga? Kartari prayoga means active voice. Karmani prayoga means passive voice. What voice it is? Te rajyam praptavantaha. Now you have to recall your previous exercises. Is it active or passive? Active only. That's it. You are right. Te rajyam praptavan. So if it is active, it has to be turned into passive. यदि कर्तरि प्रयोगे अस्ति एतद् वाक्यं कर्मणि प्रयोगे परिवर्तनीयम्. कथं कुर्मः? How do we do? Now what is the procedure? Te should go to tritiya. Taihi. Rajyam is dvitiya, goes to prathama. Since it is napumsaka, it is the same word. Taihi rajyam. Praptavantaha is in consonance with te praptavantaha. Te praptavantaha. But here the praptavanta should go with rajya shabda. Rajya shabda will come to prathama. And therefore whatever comes in prathama will behave like subject, karta. So kartru anugami it should be, this verb should be always. So te becomes taihi, rajyam goes to prathama as rajyam, praptavantaha will become, this is tavatu pratyanta, praptavan, praptavantau, praptavantaha, very well in active voice, kartari prayoge. Praptam, that's it. It becomes praptam, going in consonance with rajyam. Taihi rajyam praptam, that's it. That is, kingdom was obtained by them. They obtained, Angla Bhashayam, te rajyam praptavantaha. Arthaha Angla Bhashayam, they got the kingdom. Passive, karmani, taihi by them, rajyam the kingdom, praptam was obtained. Kingdom was obtained by them. They obtained the kingdom. Right? 2. Gauhu. This is also active voice. Gauhu gandhena pashyati. So, as we know the poem also, Gauhu is prathama. Put it in tritiya. It goes to tritiya. Gava. Gava. Gandhena is tritiya. This becomes the subject now. Prathama. Gava, gandhaha, pashyati is simple lat, present tense verb, it should become passive verb. Pashyati becomes drushyati. So how is the change? Gava, this way I have to write. Gava, gandhaha, drushyati. Okay, orally I will do now, I will write down just. 3.
Raja saraihi pashyati.
This is also again active voice. Kartari prayoge asti. Raja should go to tritiya. Like the Gauhu prathama became tritiya gava. Raja is prathama, goes to tritiya vibhakti. Ragna. Raja becomes Ragna. Charaihi, which is in tritiya, should go to prathama. Charaha. Ragna charaha drushyante. Wait a minute. Raja charaihi pashyanti. Raja pashyati. Raja charaihi pashyati. No, charai stands same here. Charai is instrumental here, not dvitiya. It is not the object here. Object only becomes subject. Chara Shabda is not object here. Instrument. So instrumental case will remain instrumental only. Rajnacharaihi drishyati. Maybe I don't know in English. Rajna charaihi drishyate means a king. It can't be translated so well in English. A king is seen with his spies. No, not well going. But we can only do in Rajna charaihi drishyate. It is seen by the king with the help of the spies. It is observed by the king with the help of the spies. That will be the meaning. Rajna charaihi drishyate. Okay, fourth.
Prajagaraha chauram avishati.
This is also Kartari Prayoga, active voice. Prajagarena. Now, chauram is object here. This is karma. Karma becomes karta in passive voice. So, Prajagarena chauraha. Chauram to prathama chauraha. Avishyati. Passive. Avishati, passive. Avishyati. Fifth one. Vayavaha abhram bramshayanti. This is also active voice. But I don't know. All are given in active voice. Kartari Prayoga. Vayavaha. So you change Vayavaha into Trutiya. This is Prathama Bahuvachana. Goes to Trutiya Bahuvachana. Trutiya Bahuvachana would be Vayuhu Vayu Vayavaha. Vayum Vayu Vayun. Vayuna Vayubhyam Vayubhihi. Vayubhihi. Abra is Napumsakalinga Shabda. So in Dvitiya it is same, Prathama it is same. Vayubhihi Abram Bhrashyati. Bhrashyati. Bramshayanti is in active voice. Vayavaha subject verb is Bramshayanti, but Vayubhihi Abram Bhrashyati. So these I will write Srinivas. Just read. This one small exercise need to be written. Main exercise number
15.
Abhyasaha. And part?
Part 8.
Regular 8.
8. Program. Te rajyam praptavantaha.
I will not write this. Taihi.
Rajyam prapta.
Praptavantaha becomes praptam. 2.
Gauhu gandhena pashyati.
Gava. Gauhu gandhena pashyanti. What is it?
Gandhena pashyati.
Gauhu gandhena pashyati. Gava gandhena only. Oh, that's it. Here the verb is drishyati. This is important. 3.
Raja charaihi pashyati. Rajna
Rajna charaihi will be same. Sorry. Drishyati. This is creating a problem. Underlining. 4th.
Prajagaraha chauram avishati.
Prajagarena. Prajagarena.
Chauraha
Chauraha. What is the verb?
avishyati.
Avishyati. वायवः वायुभिः अभ्रम स्टैंड सेम
पश्यति
अभ्रम oh अभ्रम oh so here Prashyati. Oh, you are taking Prashyati. Abram Prashyati. Chaura, there is a similarity. Charaihi Chaura. No, I thought I am mistaken putting that out somewhere. See, if you put au on cha, it becomes chauraha. And just replacing charaihi, that is Tritiya, this is Ekavachana. Oh my God, charaihi chauraha. Charaihi. Okay, charaihi is.
Yes.
Right. नवमः अंशः विलोम पदानि opposites मेले तनो match the opposites here प्रियस्य
अप्रियस्य
घ अप्रियस्य very good अपृष्टः
पुष्टः
पृष्टः you can very easily make out ग सुलभः
दुर्लभः
दुर्लभः ज्ञ and fourth पुण्यम
पापं
very anybody will tell this द्वेष्यम
प्रियं
प्रियम च प्रजागरः
निद्रा
निद्रा so opposites are very simple प्रियस्य अप्रियस्य अपृष्टः पृष्टः सुलभः दुर्लभः पुण्यम पापम द्वेष्यम प्रियम and then प्रजागरः निद्रा so ante gatva antato gatva yogyata vistara extension of exercise is here tak tavatu pratyayoho kanichana udaharanani. Now you are again reminded here of the participles we studied krut pratyani यानि अस्माभिः पूर्वं बहो कालात् पूर्वं पठितानि सन्ति तानि अत्र स्मारितानि पुनः एकवारं तत् तवतु प्रत्ययोः कानिचन उदाहरणानि. सो पुल्लिङ्गे सः राज्यं प्राप्तवान् तेन राज्यं प्राप्तम् जस्ट लाइक वी हैव डन हियर प्राप्तम्. स्त्रीलिङ्गे सा पुस्तकं पठितवती सा बिकम्स तया पुस्तकं पठितम् pustakam patitam because pustakam is subject in the passive voice, so patitam becomes it is. Otherwise in the active voice kartari prayoga sa is the subject, patitavati is there, she read. What was read in the passive? Book was read. Book is important. So napumsakalinge same thing, mama mitram phalam bhuktavan. Oh, mitra shabda is napumsakalinga shabda. So as per that bhuktavat, but this is not a very homely, comfortable example here. Something else should have been given. Because mitra shabda is napumsaka, we have to use that bhuktavat only. So anyway, mama mitrena phalam bhuktam. Bhuktavat becomes bhuktam. So watch these changes in the passive voice, karmani prayoga. Praptavan becomes praptam, patitavati becomes patitam, bhuktavat becomes bhuktam. As per the object becoming subject, rajyam, praptam, pustakam, patitam, phalam, bhuktam. So all you have to imagine. Two part is upapada tatpurushaha. There is a variety of compound word called upapada tatpurushaha. And that is introduced here. Priyam vadati iti priyavadin. So priyavadin is explained. Priyavadin is a person who speaks nice, who speaks beautifully. Good. Priyam vadati iti priyavadin. So this should be derived like priyavadi, priyavadinau, priyavadin, like
Badin.
yeah, gunin shabda. Guni, guninau, guninaha, like. Jalam dadati iti jaladaha. Another one. Jalam dadati iti jaladaha. What is jaladaha? Cloud. Jalam dadati iti jaladaha. Jaladaha nama meghaha. That which gives water, don't mistake it for a tap. Tap also gives water. But unless a cloud gives you water, you won't get through the tap also. So next one, Satyam vadati iti satyavadin. Similarly, on the other side, Jale jayati iti jalajam. Jale jayati iti jalajam. Jale in the water, jayate is born. Therefore, jalajam. Jalajam, jalajam is explained. Jale in the water, jayate. Ja stands for jayate. Iti jalajam. Neerajam. Pankajam. Panke jayate iti pankajam. What is born in the mud? Panke jayate iti pankajam. Lotus. Where is lotus born? In the mud. So pankajam. Jalajam. Third one, Manaha harati iti manoharaha. Different pratyas come. Why this is not harin, you can say, but pratyas are so many. Sanskrit being very rich language. Manaha harati iti manoharaha. And this goes like Rama Shabda. Akaranta pulling. Manoharaha, manoharau, manoharaha. Whereas the above two, Satyavadin, Priyavadin are like Gunin Shabda. Innantas they are. Bhuvam pati iti bhupaha. Bhuvam pati iti. Pati, not palayati. Pati, rakshati iti. Pa rakshane. Pa means here palane rakshane, whatever it is. So, bhuvam pati iti bhupaha. The protector of the earth. Bhuvam means the earth. Pati protects. Pati nama palayati. And that is how it is come. Bhupaha. Nrupaha. Nrupaha. We have studied now one word. Nrupala. Nrupaha. Nrun pati iti nrupaha. One who protects the people is called nrupaha. Fourth one. Yeah. Swarnam karoti iti. One who prepares the gold ornament. Swarnakara, goldsmith. Swarnam karoti iti swarnakara. Then last one here, right side. Padabhyam pibati iti. No, this is wrong actually. For a tree, you cannot have only 2 feet. So, padabhyam should not be there in the text. It should be padaihi pibati iti padapaha. Because a tree does not have, like we have 2. All the roots are supposed to be its feet. The Vyutpatti is like that. Padaihi pibati iti padapaha. That which drinks water with its feet, not 2 feet. So padabhyam doesn't hold good. We'll change it. Padaihi. I will write also. This last Patti, please correct it. What is the number? 9, 10. This is Vistara. Oh, anyway. Padabhyam change to Padaihi. This is better. It visible? Good?
Yeah.
Padaihi pibati iti padapaha. A tree is called padapaha in Sanskrit because a tree drinks with its feet. Feet are its roots. Pada. So padabhyam is not correct logically. So padaihi pibati iti padapaha. Evam samayah समाप्तः. And the third part we will do it in the next class. Shubham Bhuyat.